Hi guys, we will be doing a Filipino style cheese cupcake. You will need 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 cup of sugar. So just mix the dry ingredients and we will add the wet ingredients now. 1 cup of melted unsalted butter. 4 large eggs. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 can of condensed milk, so mix all the ingredients together using a wire whisk or a mixer until all the ingredients are fully incorporated. Then add the 1 package of eaten cheese. So guys, if you want more cheesy and also add on top, you will need 2 packages of eaten cheese. And just fold the cheese with the batter. Preheat and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm using the mini cupcake, so bake it for 13 minutes and check it at 10 minutes. If you're using the standard cupcake size, bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. There you go guys, cheese cupcake Filipino style. Let me know if you tried the recipe and how was it. Thanks guys!